Okay, I just received these vacuum storage bags for review, and I'm coming on here to show you guys how you can use it. We are going to be testing it out with my sock, and we're going to be vacuum storing my sock and seeing how it works. So first of all, comes with a user manual and an instruction sheet. It also comes with these clips. I'm not entirely sure what they are, but it comes with them. This is the actual vacuum air pump. This is what you're going to use to get all the air out. And it does come with a bag. And then here are all the vacuum sealed bags. There are some smaller ones, there are some larger ones. I'm going to use a smaller one for this review. This is actually pretty big. Okay, so they're actually all pretty big. I didn't realize how big they were. But we're still gonna use this sock. So basically all you do is you open up this bag, you put the item in right here. So this could be used for, I would say, mainly clothing. I think once you're putting away your winter clothes and summer starts, then you want to kind of like store all your winter clothing in vacuum store bags so it takes up less space, something like that. But yeah, I'm just making sure this is completely sealed so that none of the air can get out. We have this machine, and then firstly we're going to open this cap, and then we're going to put this on here. And then once it's tightly secured, that's when we're going to press this button. So let's put the cap on. So I'm not sure you can fully tell it's vacuum sealed because we literally only have one sock, but it is vacuum sealed. As you can see, this sock is stuck in its place. The only way it would be let out is if we open this. So let's open it and then see the difference. All right, so look at that. Now it's able to move around. Before it was completely stuck. So yeah, this is a cool little device. Definitely worth it if you have some stuff to store, say your clothes, or if you have some kind of a business that you need stuff to store in vacuum bags. Definitely recommend it. So yeah, go get yours.